Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use an application level middleware. Basically, if you followed this tutorial series, you've already used a middleware. And this is exactly an application level middleware because it's applied to all your application. Now, there are some peculiarities to be aware of. And for example, let's say that you want to restrict the usage of this middleware to a specific path. You can add a specific, you can add some sort of specificity. Let's say that you want only this for the example route. You can add the path right here, and now if you do something like this, you have that if you start your server, now the middleware MyDate will be applied to all your application, but only for this specific path example. So if you try to use a different path, this middleware will not work. Let's test this example. If you use the post method, the middleware worked. Indeed, you have the log right here. If you try another method is still working because the path is right. Let's say that now we are using the get method, the post method, and so on, but these methods usually they do something really different. So maybe we want to log the date only for a specific path and for a specific method. So for example, let's say that we want the date only for the get method, but not for the post method. We can use, instead of app.use, we can write here the method that we need. So if you want to apply this to the post method, you can use post. Get, you can use get. Delete, you have delete. Let's try with get. Let's save and stop your application, restart your server. Right now, this middleware will be applied only for this specific path and for this specific HTTP method. So if we invoke the get method, we have the date, and if we check the log, we have the MyDate log. But if we're going to change method and we are going to try with post, the application is still working, but you'll see no log because we've used an application level middleware, but with the specific get method.